Okay, so super keyword example. So first of all, three steps. Use of super keyword. So when you're required to call a constructor inside the child class, when you're required to parent class constructor inside the child class, then you can use a super keyword. When you're required to call a subclass parent class method inside the child class, then you can use also super keyword. When you're required to use a parent class variable, parent class fields variables inside the child class, then you can use also super keyword, right? So one by one examples are there. Super keyword is very most important use in core Java. Class vehicle, the declaration of one variable integer speed, and initialize the value of speed is 50. Class bike just extends with vehicle using a single inheritance. Okay, now declaration another variable was speed and just initialize the value of 100. Void display system dot print and one message are there. Speed, just call the variable of speed, just close the function. After that, public static void main string argument. This is my main method. Inside the main method, I just declare the object of the bike b and just initialize the objects. Now just call the b dot display. It's a simple program without using a super keyword. Without using a super keyword, right? Now I'm save this program. I have already saved. Just run this program. Java C. So just set directory cd desktop, inside the desktop Java lecture, and inside the inheritance, right? Now Java C bike dot Java value was 100. Which variable are called? This second, because it's not possible to call a private variable. Means I am just declare but not call a this variable, just call this variable, right? Now I'm change this program. Class vehicle, my variable was integer speed 50. Class bike 1 extends vehicle, same, using speed same 100. Main method system dot println super dot speed. I'm just using a super keyword inside this. Super is the keyword dot called the speed variable, right? Now system dot println main method is there, and just create of the objects and just call the variable method, right? I have already saved with bike 1. Just run Java C bike 1 dot Java bike 1. Just call the 50. Any doubts? I am declaring a child also and parent also, but just call the parent because I am using a super keyword before the name of variable. This is one basic example of super keyword, right? Any doubts? This is example how to call the parent class variable inside the child class, right? Okay, my now second example was how to call a constructor parent class constructor inside the child class. How to call a parent class constructor inside the child class. This is one basic example. Class declaration of vehicle, and inside the just declare a constructor vehicle. One message inside the constructor vehicle is created, class was closed. Another class was bike 2 extend with vehicles, means parent class. This is a bike 2. This is my child class constructor, and inside the child class constructor I am using a super keyword with using super function, super method. So just use super and system.out.println bike is created. Public static void main string arguments. Just create the object of the bike 2 class. Okay, now bike 2 class constructor will be automatically created when you create of the object of the bike 2 class. Right? So now I'm creating bike 2 class object B. then constructor will be automatically called. Then this constructor will be called when this constructor will be called, then automatically which constructor called parent class constructor, which vehicle, right? I have already saved this program with bike2.java. So java c dot bike2 dot java java bike2. Vehicle is created and bike is created. So both constructor are will be called. This is an example of how to call a parent class constructor inside the child class. Any doubts? Okay. Now the last example was how to call the method, parent class method inside the child class. Okay. Now on the simple program declaration of class program, class name was program. Inside the one method are there void message, and in the message I am just pass one message system.out.println and welcome, and the declaration of another class students, and just create a relations between two classes with using single inheritance extends person, and one another message was void message. This is using overriding. This is using of overriding because the definition of overriding was to use the same name method, to use a same name, same type method, but in a different class, and the class was in relation. The class was in relation. It's called as a method overriding, not overloading. Method overriding, right? So this is the method overriding part. Void message system.out.println and welcome to Java, right? Now void display. This is my last method, and inside the method I just call the message. I just call the message method, and using a super keyword. Using which keyword? Super dot message. First I will call only message. Second time I will call super dot message. Right? Now will invoke a current class message and will invoke a parent class message. Right? So whenever required to call a parent class method, then you can use before the name of method is super keyword. And when you required to call a current class method, then you can call only method name. Right? Okay. Public static void message arguments students object and just call the as dot display. Now save this program with class name students because this is my main class, main function inside this. So I have already saved. Just run this program. Java C student.java and Java student. Sorry. Welcome to the Java and welcome. Both method I'll call, and both method name was same. Both method name was same, and I will call a parent class method inside the child class with using super keyword. So this is one basic example of the how to use a super keyword in a different way in core Java. Right? Any doubts? Okay.